Hi students, welcome to my channel, English with Miss Pineapple. My name is Cristina, and for today's video, we are going to talk about vocabulary, specifically vocabulary for clothing and for shoes. I hope that you like it, and yes, let's get started. Let's start with our first word, a t-shirt. A t-shirt. Number 2, a dress shirt. A dress shirt. 3, a blouse. A blouse. 4, a sweater. A sweater. 5, a tank top. A tank top. 6, a vest. A vest. 7, a suit. A suit. And remember, a suit always consists of matching pants and a matching jacket. So it's 2 pieces. Number 8, a tie. A tie. Number 9, a bow tie. A bow tie. 10, a coat. A coat. 11, a jacket. A jacket. 12, jeans. Jeans. 13, shorts. Shorts. 14, pants. Pants. Good. And this word pants is the general term for all pants. And in the picture, the example that we have are dress pants. 15, track pants. Track pants. 16, a tracksuit. A tracksuit. And here in the tracksuit, we have the matching sweater or top and the matching track pants that go together. 17, a dress. A dress. 18, a skirt. And keep in mind, you have many different types of skirts. You can wear a mini skirt, a knee-length skirt, a maxi skirt, etc. 19, pajamas. Pajamas. 20, a robe or a bathrobe. A robe. A bathrobe. 21, socks. Socks. 22, tights. Tights. Or stockings. Stockings. And tights tend to be warmer than stockings, and they're sometimes used also for exercise or for dance, like ballet, for example. 23, underwear. Underwear. And underwear is the general term for panties, a bra, briefs, boxers. So women would wear panties, and men would wear briefs or boxers. 24, a swimsuit. A swimsuit. A bathing suit. A bathing suit. And both have a similar meaning. 25, shoes. Shoes. And we can also say a pair of shoes, meaning 2 shoes. 26, running shoes, running shoes, or training shoes, training shoes. And the difference here is the training shoes you can use for general exercise, but running shoes you would use specifically for running. 27, sneakers, sneakers. 28, boots, boots. 29, rain boots, rain boots. 30, heels, heels. 31, sandals, sandals. 32, a raincoat, a raincoat. 33, a hat, a hat. 34, gloves, gloves. Mittens, mittens. Now the difference between gloves and mittens are that gloves have separate fingers, but mittens only have a separate thumb. And finally, 35, a scarf, a scarf. And this one in the plural form, the F changes to V and we add ES. Scarves, scarves. Phew, we did it! And we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I was able to teach you some new vocabulary. And if not, I hope that you were able to practice your pronunciation with me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video and to turn on notifications for future videos. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Mwah! See you next time.